Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to encounter the error code 277 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Yeah, usually this happens due to unstable internet, outdated cache, or conflicts on your device. So follow the steps to fix it. Our first step is to enter into the task manager and search for Roblox application is running on the background or not. If it's running in the background, just close the application. If it's not, just close the task manager, and our next step is to clear the cache. So click Windows R and type percentage local app data percentage and press OK. After that, enter into the temp folder, find the Roblox folder and delete it. Make sure you are deleting the Roblox folder in the temp folder. Once this is done, just right click the application, enter into the property, and then compatibility, enable run as program as an administrator, and click apply and OK. And our fourth step is to enter into the control panel, open it, click network and internet, and then network and sharing center, then your network property, and then double tap the protocol 4 and enable use the following DNS server address like 8888 and 8844, which is shown on the video. Usually it's on DNS server address automatically. You need to click use the following DNS server address. Once it's done, just click OK and close it. Yeah, our fifth step is to enter into the command prompt and then run as administrator. Make it as run as administrator. Here we are going to reset the internet settings. Just click the command prompt and type the IP configure flash DNS, which is shown on the video. Yeah, type one by one like IP configure flash DNS, IP configure register, IP configure release, and IP configure renew. At last, type nest pinstock reset. This is usually for resetting the internet settings in your Windows. Sometimes this may help you to encounter the error code 277 in Roblox. Once you enter, you may get the it's done successfully. Yeah, it shows you need to restart the system to complete it. Yeah, just type exit and exit from the command prompt and restart your system. I hope the video is useful. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.